In this video, let's take a look at installing the CodeChat Editor. If you have Visual Studio Code, simply go to the Extensions panel, search for the CodeChat Editor. Notice that it's the CodeChat Editor, not the simple CodeChat extension, and install that. After the extension is installed, go to the Command palette and search for the CodeChat Editor, and click on Enable the CodeChat Editor. Once the editor is running, simply switch to any source file and you'll get an immediate preview of that file. I recommend minimizing the toolbar dock here to provide a larger viewable area on your screen. If you're not using Visual Studio Code, simply browse to the Releases page, and on the Releases page, select the binary for your platform, download that, and then decompress it using the platform-specific tools for your operating system. After that's been decompressed, open a terminal window, and in that terminal window, let's execute the CodeChat Editor. You can see that the basic command offers several options. We're going to focus on the first option, to start a web server. By default, it's going to open at address 127.0.0.1 at port 8080. So with that, we'll browse to the indicated website and simply use the very basic file navigation tool to select a file of our choosing and begin editing that file. As an alternative, you can also give start a parameter, for example, a file to open, and it will immediately open that file in your browser for you. Once you've opened the CodeChat Editor, I've also opened another IDE, in this case Notepad++. I recommend placing them side by side on the screen and enabling an auto reload in your IDE of choice. So, for example, as we type things, and as soon as I hit save, so I'm going to go File, Save. As soon as the file is saved, the CodeChat Editor will automatically reload that file. Likewise, any edits that you make here are immediately saved to disk and will be reflected back to your text editor as soon as that reload takes place. If you're using the Visual Studio Code Editor, the software will automatically update when new versions of the CodeChat Editor extension are released. In contrast, if you're using it with another text editor, be sure to watch this releases page for new releases. Simply download the new binary and then execute that new binary to update to the latest release. Thanks for watching, and I hope this proves useful.